Hi everyone, I am Fahim Khan, data scientist or MLOps engineer. So I'm passionate about building impactful machine learning solution. Today I'm excited to share an end-to-end MLOps projects I have worked on the hotel reservation prediction system. This project predicts whether customer will cancel their hotel reservation. So it's helping hotels optimize their operations. So let's go with the problem statement. So the hospitality industry often face challenges with reservation cancellations, which can lead a loss to lost revenue and inefficient resource management. So my goal was to with this project was to build a machine learning solutions that predict the whether customer can cancel their booking based on feature like lead time, special request, average price per room. Then I integrate this model into the user-friendly web app using Flask, and deploy it into the clouds. I also document the entire process on a GitHub. Let's start with the project structure. Here is my project structure. So first we have the config directory in which we have paths config. They store the path for data models and outputs directories, and then we have models param.py stores hyperparameter for machine learning solutions. Machine learning models make it easy for experiment. Is a config.yml file. Basically it's find the data ingestion pipeline, and data processing, what are the columns and what are the numerical columns and number of features we have taken. Next we have a src directory, uh, which hold the core source code. So in which we have first is a data ingestion, which fetch the data from MySQL database, and is split into the training and testing sets. Then we have data preprocessing.py. Basically it's handle preprocessing tasks like cleaning, balancing the data sets and features selection to prepare the data for. And then we have a model training.py. Basically, it's evaluate the light GVM model which I choose for this performance on tabular data. I also built utils directory in which we have a common functions that we are going like read YAML file and load data. Then we have a static directory in which we have the style of CSS means to is used to design a modern user-friendly UI for the web app. I will show you in a moment. Then we have a templates folder in which we have index.html, the Flask template for the web interface where user can input booking details and get predictions. Then we have in the pipeline structure we have training pipeline, so which orchestrates the entire MLflow workflow from data ingestion to model training, ensuring that everything runs smoothly in a single script. Then we have a Docker folder, is, which folders for automating the build and deployment. Finally, we have the Docker file for containerizing the applications, make it easy to deploy in any platform. So now let's talk about how we build this. I start with data ingestion from pulling data from MySQL database using data ingestion.py file script, and then data processing.py. I clean the data, handle imbalanced data sets, and selected feature like lead time, arrival time, and market segment. I train a LightGBM model because of its speeds and accuracy on structured data. For the web app, I use Flask in app.py is the also use MLflow for tracking the experiment with the different artifacts. And I also use index.html to style and with the style CSS.